Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing a powerful all-in-one platform called Clever AI Studio. This tool can scan any website URL and instantly train itself on your business, then give you access to 300 plus AI tools for content creation, video, voiceovers, design, SEO, marketing, and automation, all from one dashboard. Instead of using multiple tools, everything is combined into one system that can generate personalized, ready-to-use content in seconds. Now, if you decide to get Clever AI Studio through my link, I'm also including a large bonus package. For example, you'll get FaceShift X Creative AI for realistic face transformations, VoiceForge Narration Engine to create AI voiceovers, and Landing Page Creator AI Pro to build marketing pages quickly. You'll also get tools like Image Enhance Clarity Pro to improve image quality and Background Remove Pro Studio to remove image backgrounds instantly. And that's just a small part of the bonuses included. If you want to see the full list of all bonuses, click the link in the video description below. Now let's jump into the full demo of Clever AI Studio so you can see exactly.
Hi, I'm Yogesh Agarwal, and if you're currently paying for separate tools for content writing, video creation, voiceovers, graphic design, SEO, and ad copy, and still spending hours doing everything manually, what I'm about to show you will make all of that obsolete. Right now, most creators and marketers are juggling 5, 10, sometimes 15 different tools just to run their business. That's hundreds of dollars a month in subscriptions, hours wasted switching between platforms, and content that still doesn't feel consistent or on brand. What if one single dashboard could replace all of that? This is Clever AI Studio, 300 plus AI-powered tools for content, video, voiceovers, design, SEO, ads, and marketing, all working together under one roof. But here's what truly makes this different from anything else out there. Most AI tools make you do all the heavy lifting. You write the prompts, you fill in every detail, you figure out what to say. Clever AI Studio flips that completely. You train a personal AI agent on your business, your product, your audience, your brand voice, and from that moment on, the AI already knows what to write, who to write it for, and how to say it. You don't prompt, you don't fill forms, you just click generate and get content that's actually tailored to your business. No other platform does this. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how this works. And by the end, you'll see how Clever AI Studio can do in minutes what currently takes you hours and hundreds of dollars in tools. Let's start by creating your first AI agent. To begin, we create a new project. Think of every project as its own AI agent, fully trained on your data. From the left menu, I click AI Agent. Select Create AI Agent and enter my project name, Demo01. Next, we choose the source type. Clever AI Studio lets you train your agent using either a website URL or a Google Doc. I'm selecting website URL and pasting my sales page link. Then I click Generate. Clever AI Studio instantly extracts every important detail: product information, features, benefits, and audience, and organizes it for you. With one click on Train AI, your personal AI agent is ready. After training, this AI agent uses everything it learned across all tools inside the platform, generating content, scripts, marketing materials, and AI-powered outputs specifically tailored to your business. All your projects are organized in the AI agent list, making them easy to manage, view, copy, or delete anytime. Next, let's head to the Tools section. Clever AI Studio gives you access to 300 plus powerful AI tools. You can open them directly from the Tools menu or access them category-wise from the sidebar. Keep in mind, what you see in the sidebar are just quick access favorites. The full library of 300 plus tools lives inside the Tools menu and the AI content generator. Let me open Copywriting Studio from the sidebar because this is where the AI agent really shines. Inside Copywriting Studio, you have everything: blog posts, sales pages, email copy, video scripts, product descriptions, and dozens more. Let's start with the AI Content Generator. This tool uses custom prompts powered by AI And all the required data for those prompts is automatically generated from your trained AI agent. First, enter a name. For this demo, I'll enter AI Content Generator Test. Next, select the project you created earlier. In our case, that's Demo 01. Select it from the dropdown and click Next. Now I choose the content type. Here you'll find all 300 plus content tools. Just type what you need and select it. For this demo, I'm selecting TikTok Video Script Writer. Now pay close attention, because this is what separates Clever AI Studio from every other AI tool on the market. You see all these fields: topic, goal, audience, duration, script style, tone of voice, key message, hook type, call to action. In most tools, you would have to fill all of this manually. But here, your trained AI agent has already done it. Every single field is filled automatically from your business data. You literally just click Generate. Choose your language, tone of voice, and quality type, and hit Generate Content. And boom! A complete TikTok video script, generated in seconds and tailored to your product. And this is just one of 300 plus tools. You can copy the content, use it anywhere, or save it as a draft. Saved drafts will appear in the list section, so you can access and reuse them anytime in the future. Now here's something copywriters and marketers will love. Inside the AI content generator, we also have powerful copywriting frameworks built in, like StorySolve Sales Page Framework, Solution Saving Social Proof Sales Page Framework, and lot more. Let me show you Pain Agitate Relief. The workflow is exactly the same. Select your project, choose Pain Agitate Relief from the content types, and the AI agent fills everything automatically. One click, and you get professionally structured copy using a proven persuasion framework, and it doesn't stop there. You also get frameworks like ADA, PAS, Before After Bridge, Feature Advantage Benefit, and more. Every framework follows the same simple process. Select, let the AI agent fill the details, and generate. Professional copywriting frameworks, ready to use instantly. Let's go rapid fire with Facebook ad headlines. Enter your project name, select your AI agent, and type Facebook, then select Facebook ad headlines. Now again, our AI agent will fill everything for you based on your data. You just need to click Generate. Scroll-stopping Facebook headlines appear instantly. You can copy them or save them to your list section. Every tool in Copywriting Studio follows this same simple flow. Now let me show you something that will really put this into perspective. I gave the exact same task to ChatGPT and to Clever AI Studio. Look at the difference. First, Facebook ads. On the left, ChatGPT gives you generic, bland ad copy, basic headlines, weak body text, a learn more CTA. On the right, Clever AI Studio generates 3 strategic variations: fear-based urgency, desire-based aspiration, and curiosity-driven social proof, each with psychological hooks, emotional triggers, and conversion-optimized CTAs built in. Same thing with promotional emails. ChatGPT writes a flat, informational email that reads like a Wikipedia article. Clever AI Studio writes a persuasive sales email with a curiosity-driven subject line, emotional storytelling, authority positioning, risk reversal, and a strong closing CTA. This is the difference between a generic AI tool and an AI that's actually built to convert. Now let me show you something even more exciting. The Video Studio is packed with powerful tools: text to video, image to video, AI Shorts Creator, face swaps, video upscaling, and even a complete YouTube video generator. Let's start with AI Image to Video. This tool turns a single static image into a dynamic animated video using AI-powered motion. I'll enter my project name, choose the orientation, and upload my image. Now upload your initial image. I am uploading this image. Next comes the prompt. This is where you describe how you want the image to move. I've prepared one already, but you can also use our prompt enhancer to generate the perfect prompt. You can describe camera zoom, walking motion, background animation, cinematic lighting, and much more. Click Generate. In moments, AI transforms the still image into a smooth motion video. On the right side, click View List. From here, You can download the video or access it anytime from the View List section. Let me quickly show you a few more outputs I created earlier. I'll click Edit on each one in the list section so you can see the prompt, input, and output. First one, here's the prompt, input image, and the final video. Second one, different prompt, different image, completely different result. Third one, look at this. And fourth, same tool, endless creative possibilities. This tool is perfect for creating social media animations, product videos, and ad creatives, all from a single image. No animation skills needed. Fast, creative, and incredibly powerful. Now here's where it gets cinematic. AI Scene Maker combines two different images into one smooth transformation video. I'll enter a name and choose orientation, and upload two images for creating transformation scene. Scene 1 shows a car parked on a city street. Scene 2 shows a giant robot. In the prompt, I describe a cinematic transformation, the car vibrating, mechanical parts shifting, glowing energy appearing, and finally transforming into a massive humanoid robot. Now, I am uploading both images, and click Generate Video. Two images, one prompt, a cinematic transformation video. No VFX software, no editing timeline. That's the kind of power we're talking about. Let me quickly show you 4 more outputs from the list. I'll click Edit on each so you can see the two input images, the prompt, and the final transformation. First, look at this transformation. Second, completely different style. Third, check this one out. And fourth, cinematic quality every single time. Now let's move to another exciting section, Art and Image Studio. This is a powerful creative AI workspace built to generate, transform, and enhance images and art styles effortlessly. Let me show you a tool that completely changes how you think about branding. AI Brander instantly applies your branding to products, packaging, and merchandise using AI. Upload image 1, your base product. This could be a t-shirt, bottle, box, gadget, billboard, or shopping bag. I'm uploading this can image. Next, upload image 2, your branding asset. This could be your logo, artwork, or label design. Now add your prompt. For example, create a bold energy drink packaging design using image 2 branding, metallic texture, dynamic lightning graphics, sporty typography, realistic condensation drops, high-end commercial product photography. Click Generate. AI creates a high-quality branded product mockup by combining your base product and branding asset, merchandise, packaging, apparel, and e-commerce previews. 4 more quick outputs from the list. Each one shows the base product, the branding asset, the prompt, and the final mockup. The kind of results that would normally take a designer hours done in seconds. Next, let's see AI Avatar Generator in action. This creates different avatar images from your initial image with just prompt. Enter a project name and add your prompt. You can write your own prompt or choose from the sample prompts. Upload the image you want to transform. Click Generate. Within seconds, you get a fully redesigned AI avatar based on your style and instructions. Check the results in the list section. You can download the image, edit the prompt, or generate new variations anytime. Professional avatars, created instantly. Few more from the list. Original photo, prompt, and the AI-generated avatar. Just by changing the prompt, you get a completely different transformation every time. The Art and Image Studio contains over 16 AI tools, all following the same intuitive workflow. Now here's a feature that alone could replace hiring a professional scriptwriter. The VSL Script Creator, VSL, Video Sales Letter, is the engine behind every high-converting sales video. And now, Clever AI Studio writes them for you. Just enter your product name, paste your sales page link, and choose your settings. First, pick your VSL style. You get Problem Agitate Solve, Hook Story Offer, AIDA, Before After Bridge, and Pattern Interrupt Formula, and 50 more frameworks. Well, all proven frameworks used by top copywriters. Next, choose the emotion you want to trigger. Urgency, curiosity, hope, trust, fear, and many more. I am selecting urgency. Then set your tone: bold, friendly, casual, professional, or energetic. Click Generate VSL Script. And just like that, a complete, ready-to-record video sales letter script written in the exact style, emotion, and tone you selected. All your generated scripts are saved in the VSL script list, easy to view, manage, or create new ones anytime. This is the kind of tool people pay copywriters hundreds or even thousands of dollars for. You get it built right into your dashboard. The VoiceOver Studio is a complete AI audio production kit. It includes text-to-speech, voice cloning, music generation, dubbing, sound effects, and much more. Let's start with text-to-speech. Enter your project name, paste or type your text. Choose model and select your language. Click Generate Audio. Within seconds, your voiceover is ready. After generation, head over to the list section. From here, you can edit text, download, delete voiceover. Let's play voiceover.
Clever AI Studio is an all-in-one platform that helps you create content, images, videos, voiceovers, and designs using powerful AI tools. Instead of using many different apps, Clever AI Studio brings everything together in one easy place.
Natural, professional audio quality, ready for videos, ads, or presentations. No microphone required. Now this one will really impress you. AI Voice Cloner generates realistic speech using a reference voice. Enter your project name, add the text you want spoken, and upload a reference audio file. The voice the AI will clone. For best results, keep the sample clear and under 30 seconds. First, let's play the reference voice sample.
If anything kills over 10 million people in the next few decades, it's most likely to be a highly infectious virus rather than a war. Not missiles, but microbes.
Now click Generate Audio. Let's play the AI-generated cloned voice.
Clever AI Studio is a powerful AI platform that helps you create digital content faster and easier. It combines many advanced AI tools into one place, so you can write, design, generate images, create videos, and produce voiceovers without needing special skills.
As you can hear, the AI replicates the tone, pitch, and speaking style very closely to the original voice, perfect for personalized voiceovers, brand voices, or character narration. VoiceOver Studio also includes tools for music generation, sound effects, dubbing, voice transformation, emotions, and multilingual support, all using the same simple workflow. Studio quality audio with zero equipment needed. So let's take a step back and look at what you just saw. In the last few minutes, you watched one single dashboard create TikTok scripts, copywriting frameworks, Facebook ad headlines, AI-powered videos, cinematic scene transformations, branded product mock-ups, professional avatars, studio-quality voiceovers, and cloned voices. Each of these would normally require a separate tool, each with its own subscription, learning curve, and limitations. We're talking $300 to $500 per month if you tried to piece this together yourself. And even then, none of those tools would truly understand your business. That's the real power of Clever AI Studio. It doesn't just give you tools, it gives you a trained AI agent that works like a team member who already understands your business. And what you saw today is just a fraction of what's inside. There's a marketing suite, a PPC toolkit, SEO studio, interior design AI, drag and drop design studio, background removal, agency user management, and much more waiting for you. Whether you're a content creator, freelancer, agency owner, or entrepreneur, This gives you the unfair advantage to produce in minutes what others take hours to create. Now let me show you exactly how you can get access to everything you just saw and the special deal we've put together for you today.